but about the book, I told them to already. And here for the book.
See done first.
Yeah.
Here, see.
Here the key. And here for the book. The single line.
Only one. So it's an inverter front. Outside. The pump is not working. Now the flat inside of the pump room. Wow, this is a very big mistake. So engineer, please take care of your work. Please be careful of this. All the auto motor drainage must be working as well. Our team are checking the material from the suppliers. Today the supplier they bring the pump to our project for the installations. So we are strictly check with the quality with the material approvals. If everything complies to the approval materials, we will accept and allow them to install these products. We are strictly on the material that the suppliers the deliveries to our sites. We must do the inspection with the engineerings who approve the material. All the material are acceptable, not make sure not missing. This is the step of the standard works. We have to do the inspection for all the material before the installations, and the installation also need the engineering, the experts to do the inspection for the quality of the installations, and everything make sure follow the spec and the skyline from the factory of the installations. For the pump, it is very important. We are strictly checked because we have experience about the pump leakage during operation. Well, when the mall are doing the grand opening, and then our pump have a trouble with the leakage because of the piping installation are not fixed properly. The piping, the welding damaged, and the flooding occurs at the ground floor. So it is not a good time to do a grand opening for our shop. So we need to do all the inspections step by step before we hand over the work